Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do color grading in video CapCut. So let's get started. First, let's create a new project with the clip that we're going to use. So as you can see, the clip that I'm using is very dull. It's not very pleasing to look at. So let's go ahead and edit that. Let's look for adjust. And as you can see, we have a bunch of options here. So this is where the color grading begins. Let's start with brightness. So let's see what I can do here. I should maybe turn it down like this. Oh yeah, I think that looks good. Now it's very dull, but you know, we'll change that on later. Now moving on to contrast, I think I'll set it at about 20 or actually 15. Now saturation, yep, definitely gonna turn that up. And then brilliance, I think I'll turn this one up too. Yep, that makes it a little more brighter or very dark. I think I'll just set it to around this. We can skip sharpen. Let's move on to HSL. And at this point right here, or this part, make sure you take a good look at your video of which colors are present, because as you can see, we have a lot of options. However, in my video, there's no red, there's no blue, there's no purple, but there is an orange. That is the only color that I'm going to be adjusting. And as you can see here, it's starting to look a little better. But once you're done with that, just close that part. And now let's move on to graphs. Now, here is the same thing. This time there's only 4 colors, however the first one is not a color, it's just the lighting. So I'm only going to be adjusting the white or the lighting. So let's, I think I should turn it up a bit. Or maybe just put it in the middle, I don't know. So as you can see, you can play around with it, see what suits your clip best or your video. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna put this in the middle, and then we can also adjust the top and bottom points. Yes, the bottom point is the black and the top point is the white, as you can see. This is basically black and whites. So I think I'm just going to leave it like that. As for the other colors, I'm not going to be adjusting them because I don't really want any red or green or blue to appear in my video. As you can see, that's what it'll look like. However, you can play with these. You can mix these colors up to make something much better. I'm just not going to do that for now. So yeah, I'm just going to move on to highlights now. And oh, there we go. That makes it much better. I'm definitely gonna leave it at around 30. So now shadows, let's just lower it down a bit. Alright, now let's move on to whites. Oh, yep, gotta turn that up. Oh my, it is much brighter now. And as for the blacks, I don't think I need to adjust this. Yeah, maybe just lower it to like 2 or something, -2. Yeah, that should be fine. As for the temp, and there's no need to adjust that, as well as the hue. As for the other options, I don't think it's necessary to touch that. So yeah, this should be good. As you can see, the video is now brighter and it's much more pleasing to look at than before. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just be creative, use your own settings, or you can copy mine, but I don't think that will really apply for you since it will depend on your video. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.